Welcome back to our channel, where we help you navigate the complex world of business, finance, and credit building in 2026. Today, we are tackling one of the biggest challenges for small business owners and entrepreneurs. If you have a low credit score or a limited credit history, you might think that getting a business credit card is impossible. However, the financial landscape has changed significantly this year, and there are more options than ever before for those who need a second chance. In this video, we will count down 10 business credit cards that offer guaranteed or near guaranteed approval even if your credit is less than perfect. We will dive deep into the features, the fees, and the specific reasons why these cards are the best choices for rebuilding your financial reputation while growing your company. Before we get started, please make sure to have your notepad ready because some of these cards have very specific application requirements that you will want to remember. Let us jump right into the list with our first category of cards. Starting at number 10, we have the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card. This card is a classic staple for business owners who are looking to establish a solid foundation. Because it is a secured card, your approval is essentially guaranteed as long as you can provide a security deposit. The deposit typically ranges from $500 to $25,000, and this amount becomes your credit limit. What makes this card stand out in 2026 is that Wells Fargo regularly reviews your account to see if you qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured card. This means that your responsible spending and timely payments can lead to getting your deposit back while keeping the account open. It also provides a simple rewards program where you can earn cash back or points on every purchase, which is rare for a card designed for bad credit. Moving to number 9, we have the Capital One Spark Classic for Business. This is one of the few unsecured cards on our list, which means you do not have to put down a deposit. While it does require a fair credit score, it is notoriously friendly to those who are in the rebuilding phase. The beauty of the Spark Classic is that it offers unlimited 1% cash back on all purchases with no annual fee. In 2026, Capital One has updated their underwriting models to look more at your business revenue and less at your personal credit score, making it a prime choice for established businesses that have had a few personal financial bumps in the road. It is a great tool for separating your personal and business expenses while earning rewards. At number 8, we have the Bento for Business Visa Debit Card. Now you might be wondering why a debit card is on a credit card list, but hear me out. For many business owners with truly bad credit, a traditional credit line is not immediately available. Bento provides a powerful expense management system that requires no credit check whatsoever. It allows you to deposit funds and then issue cards to your employees with strict spending limits. This is perfect for 2026 because it prevents overspending and helps you manage your cash flow without the risk of debt. While it does not build credit in the traditional sense, it is a guaranteed tool to get your business operations running smoothly while you work on other credit building strategies. Number 7 on our list is the Bank of America Business Secured Credit Card. Similar to the Wells Fargo, this card requires a secured deposit starting at $1,000. Bank of America has one of the most robust banking ecosystems in 2026, and having this card helps you get a foot in the door with them. They report your payment history to the major business credit bureaus, which is the most important factor when you are trying to move from bad credit to good credit. The card also offers travel and emergency assistance services, which can be a lifesaver for small business owners on the move. Coming in at number 6 is the Dash Solutions Prepay Card, formerly known as Dash. It has evolved in 2026 to serve the underbanked business community. This card offers guaranteed approval because it is a prepaid business expense card. There are no credit checks and no interest charges because you are using your own capital. However, the software integrated with the card allows for incredible bookkeeping and receipt tracking, which saves you money on accounting fees. For a brand new startup with a founder who has a bankruptcy or very low score, this is the most reliable way to get a professional Visa or MasterCard in your business name. We are halfway through, and at number 5 we have the Stripe corporate card. This is a game changer for online businesses and e-commerce entrepreneurs in 2026. Stripe does not look at your personal credit score at all when you apply. Instead, they look at your payment processing history on the Stripe platform. If you are doing a consistent volume of sales, Stripe will offer you a corporate card with a limit based on your sales revenue. This is a form of guaranteed approval for successful businesses regardless of the owner's personal credit history. It features no annual fee and integrated rewards that scale as your business grows. Number 4 is the Bricks card for startups. Bricks has redefined the industry by offering cards with no personal guarantee. This means your personal credit score is not the primary factor for approval. In 2026, they have expanded their reach to include smaller businesses that have significant cash reserves in the bank. If you have at least $50,000 in your business bank account, Bricks will likely approve you with no credit check required. The rewards are tailored specifically for tech and professional services, making it one of the most valuable cards on this list if you have the initial capital to qualify. At number 3 we have the Merrick Bank Business Card. Merrick Bank is a specialist in the credit rebuilding space, and their business offering is designed specifically for those with bad credit. They offer both secured and unsecured options depending on your specific profile. What we love about Merrick Bank in 2026 is their transparent path to credit line increases. If you make your first several payments on time, they often automatically increase your limit without requiring another hard credit pull. This helps your credit utilization ratio and speeds up the process of fixing your credit score. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Divi Business Card. Now part of the Bo ecosystem, Divi has become incredibly popular because they offer a fast approval process and a flexible credit line. They have a specific program for those with lower credit scores that starts with a smaller limit but allows for rapid growth. The platform provides you with a clear view of your spending in real time, and because they are focused on the future of business finance, they are much more lenient than traditional big banks. It is an excellent choice for any business owner who wants a modern high-tech interface and a card that grows as they do. Finally, at number 1 we have the Fimbo Business Edition Business Prime Plus card. This card remains